Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click to the connection and sharing. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll see here the NFC switcher. Just to activate NFC you should click once on the switcher, and to turn it off click on the switcher again, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can activate the NFC. You should first open the notification panel right there, and somewhere here you will find the NFC icon. In my case this is the last icon here, so to activate it you should click here once on this icon, and that's it. You can use the NFC on your device, and just to turn it off click once again on this icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.